Yeah, PCS after start that. Okay, then okay, I am calling one by one name. First make one column that is for name and
Can I make the Excel for that?
yeah, that will be good.
Yes.
अरे वो एमडीओ नहीं आए हैं वो बड़ा
Name and phone number is actually the person. Okay, I am calling one. Okay, wishes. We start with your name, then going to next.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, next is Megha. Can you give your name and Megha, then your phone number? Hello, Megha. Megha, are you listening?
Sir, I think everyone should send their name and
In the chat box.
number in the chat.
Chat box. It will be easy for you, sir. Just
Yeah, you
Yes.
can give. Yeah. Also, you can give the chat.
Calling
yeah.
one by one would take a lot of time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can copy and paste.
Yes, sir. थोड़ा सा
बोलो यार मुझे बोल अरे तो उनका मन नहीं लगता मैं मेरा मन नहीं लगता.
Sir, I will do that and let you know at the end of the meeting.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I will do that and tell you the end of the meeting. I will tell you the names which I have got the number.
Okay.
Till then we can start.
Actually, audience had told me first of all do that thing because it will be miscommunication. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, this is not Mega. I am joining Chitra Agrawal.
Yeah, tell me. Okay, you are Chitra, right? Okay, Vishesh, when you are done, please tell me.
इनको अंदर लखनऊ में चाहिए वाली लखनऊ में
अब आएगा तो हमको बताना.
इसमें एक इंट्रोडक्शन इंटरव्यू हुआ था, फिर टेक्निकल हुआ था, फिर एचआर हुआ था, तीनों में सेलेक्ट हुआ था जब ट्रेनिंग। टेक्निकल ऑप्शन बेसिस। मेरी प्रेफर करी।
Hello, Vishesh, have you done?
Sir, I am doing it. Just I will share it.
Okay, just keep the look at me. Okay,
Yep.
then give my number. I am.
Okay, sir. Tell me your number.
Yeah, my number is 83.
8, 6,
Three.
yes,
No,
3.
no, not the number. Just delete the number.
Mm-hmm.
Nine. Delete the 8. Yeah, 97
97,
35
35,
38
38,
37
37,
28.
28. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and now I am giving you the Shankalita's number.
Okay, yes.
His number is 80
80,
173
173,
812
812,
78.
78. Okay, sir.
So now I'm giving you the Orjit sir number. Because
What, sir?
Orjit,
Hello.
yeah, now giving you Orjit sir's number.
Okay, yep.
98
98,
36
36,
81
81,
24
24,
65.
65. Okay.
So Orjit sir number and give all the address.
Yes, 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 sure.
Okay, so yesterday what we have done yesterday, previous session actually. The previous session we have done JavaScript, right?
Yes, sir, JavaScript.
JavaScript.
Yep.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My number is not there.
Your number is not there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Vishesh, just okay, now add it. That's fine.
Hello,
Cool.
sir. It's
Yeah.
not. Abhay. 15. It's not
Yes,
Abhay. It's Rupanshi.
it is coming from there. Yes, sir. It's the Panshu. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Abhay, share your number. Okay, Rupamshi, then you rename yourself. Okay? That will be good.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we just now take the Ankush's number. He is sharing his number in chat box.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start. Let's start with the Java. If you have any doubt in JavaScript, then you will ask the madam. Then after JavaScript, what is our plan actually? Our plan is Java tutorials. Okay, let me first of all do one thing. Like in our process.
Sorry
actually-
to, sir,
Yeah.
sorry to interrupt between, but could you speak bit loud? Your voice is very low.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Let me share the first screen. Now, actually, what is the how we work in a project that I will give you one flavor actually. Then we'll start Java. After then it will be understand for you why we learning the Java, how it will processing actually in our local system or in the client server system. What is the backup process actually? We don't see the backup process, right? We just see the UI and all, but we don't see the backup process. That's why I'm telling you. I have already made one diagram. So let me understand with that. That will be better. Okay, so first of all, we already have learned HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now we entering the Java. So if you go to any organization, if you are in any project, any kind of project, whatever maybe the technology is, maybe Java, maybe Python, maybe it is in the development part I am talking about. The main these steps are actually run. Okay, so what is the first step? The first is UI. That is called UI, user interface actually. That is the view part. You know, there is three part: view part, then the middle part, and this is the backend part. In the view part, this is the front end part. This is the front end part. This is the middle part. Their controller and service. Those have control view part also, and controller service also have backend part also. The backend, and then we have one database. Every respective organization has one database. There is maybe for Java, there is MySQL, there is Oracle DB, or maybe for Python guys, there is maybe MongoDB. Whatever the technology is, I'm just not bother about it. I'm just bother about how the actually project work, the basic structure of that project, the behind process of that any project. First of all, it is view part actually. The view part is maybe it is HTML, maybe CSS, maybe Angular. Maybe Angular or maybe it is React. Maybe it is React. Okay, then that data will come to the controller layer. That data will come to the controller layer. That controller layer, maybe it is home controller, maybe it is different kind of controller you are creating in your VS Code in your project. And that controller also you are creating in your backend. Then the data will come into the service. Then data will come into the service. That's for service. So what we have done in the service, we are declaring the URL, uniform resource locator, that URL we have created in the service. that service will that URL come to your service, and that from the backend data, we are fetching the data from that URL, and then we see in the view UI. UI means this. This is the UI. Suppose I am going to the IRCTC website. Okay, this is the IRCTC website, and this website is totally made by HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There's no Angular is making. This is the actually little bit static, little bit dynamic. So this is, they are creating one kind of form, and so this part is called the UI. This is user what you are seeing, what you are looking. That's called UI. Your view layer. But what you don't see, the inner process, what you don't see. Suppose you're giving the data from station, which you are going to which station, your category. Maybe it is local ticket, maybe it is premium, whatever. You are giving the data type, and you are giving the classes, maybe it is first class, maybe second class, maybe whatever the classes. So that data you are filling the information here, that data is then coming into the data is coming into the controller layer. That data you are filling the data is coming to the controller layer. Yeah? Then the data coming into the service layer. Then that service layer comes to the backend. So this part is called backend, the database and plus backend framework. That backend framework is totally called backend. Whether it is maybe MySQL, MongoDB, anything. So your data is stored into the respective organization's backend and data structure. And the backend framework may be Spring Boot, maybe Spring Boot here. Maybe it is JDBC. Maybe if you are using the front-end JS, then you have to use the JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. What about the standard Spring Boot? So I don't go about the technology because technology you are using one, but then it will come to the database. But the data actually the data flow reached here. Okay, now. But this is called one-way data binding. This is called one-way data binding. One way. Suppose you have road, right? One way and two way. But the data is also has the two-way data binding. But suppose I am fetching the data. Suppose I am on HR and I want to take your interview. So for that I am to take your information. So how I take your information? First of all, I get information from the CV name from the database. I am fetching your data from your database, whatever your skill set, whatever your where you living, your contact number or email ID, whatever. That data is coming from the backend. Coming from the backend, then it will go to the service layer. In the service layer, fetching the URL, that URL. Then it comes to the controller layer, control the data. Then data is coming to the view layer. That is the view. Then the HR see your information about this. Then HR see your information. So that is the actually total. So the data coming from this to this layer also. The data is coming from get filter and also get filter. That's called two-way data binding. Two-way data binding. That's what. Actually, the data is binding. Two-way data binding. Data binding. Suppose I am giving you one flavor. Suppose right now I am doing one project. Let me see that project. Then you will better understand.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sorry to interrupt, but I have sent the link, WhatsApp group link in the chat. Everyone can go and join the WhatsApp group.
Okay, yes. Sir.
Okay, sir. And
okay,
sir,
okay. You have created the group, right?
Yes, sir. I have created the group and send you the link invite.
Yeah.
You, ma'am, and others.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, I have already added. Then I told Pankaj to add. No problem.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, then what I am doing here. So this is my one project, and this project is called HR Management System Frontend. This project is front-end is Angular and back-end is Angular. So first of all, I am creating the. This is the controller layer actually. So this is called the controller layer. These layers are called controller layers, and this is called service layer, employee professional details. I have created so many pages: professional details, personal details, employee office details, employee job details, employee account details. There are so many service, account service, education service. These are the service layer actually. I am talking about service layer. This is the service. This is the service. And then it will come to the controller layer. We come to the controller and then we will see the view. Let me run that project, and then we are going to see the website. This is basically the HR management system content. HR management system content we are making. It is saying compile successful. So let's see here. Let's put the 4200 because your Angular framework is running in 4200 actually. See, user, I have created the neighbor list, user employee list, user employee personal list, user employee education list, and add employee list. So I have created one form here actually. And this form is not made by HTML and CSS. This form is fully made by Angular actually. This is not, this total UI is not made by HTML and CSS. It's totally in Angular. HTML, employee ID, call name, username, user password, and user role. And this is the user employee list. So the data is not coming white because I am not starting the backend. I'm not starting the backend. If I am, let me open the backend Eclipse. Okay, it will open and okay, all of you, it is recommended to all of you, please install Eclipse. This software tool you have to install, otherwise you cannot do the Java program. Okay, Vishesh, first of all, you install and everyone, let's see.
Sir, I have already
We have already
installed the yes, STS.
Okay, you have HTML.
Hmm.
But sir, I am not installed.
Yeah, HTS is also good, but HTS is especially for the Spring.
Yes, sir. I am using the Spring Boot.
But here you can add also the Spring Boot tools to that.
But in this, you have to set the environment and
Yeah.
virtual machine.
Yeah, that's all.
In STS, it is automatically done.
And the Tomcat server automatically there.
Mhm.
Okay, I'm just creating that project data management system backend. If you are seeing. This is the SRC main Java. I am creating the one SRC. This is the actually Marvin project. So Marvin project on Spring Boot project. These are these files will automatically create. These files will automatically create. And look, this is the controller. That's why I'm telling repeatedly the controller. This is the controller that controls the data actually. The data control the data. Account details. Whatever you made the components, you have to make the component controller layer, respective controller layer also. Account details, assign job controller, employee education controller, employee education drop down controller, employee office details, employee personal details, professional details, and all other things, job details and account details. Okay, let me run this program first. Then you will better understand how the project actually works. Okay, so the application has started. See here the data are automatically coming from backend. This is my backend. Data are coming from here. Data are coming from here to my front end. This is the UI here. See user ID 1, employee ID 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the listing. This is the employee list. Username, user password, user ID, and actions. If you go to view, you can see the view employee details. If you want to update any details, then you can update. If you want to delete, if suppose I want to delete this employee record, this employee suppose going to this organization to another organization, then I will delete this. Simply this row will be deleted. Here is that is the thing. Then I go to user employee education list. See on the education table is come. All the data is come. Then go to personal list, address, location ID, pin code, phone number, alternate phone number, gender, country ID, email ID, date of birth. This all the data are coming. You can modify the data, update the data. It's called CAD application. That is called CAD. Create, read, update, and delete. That's called CAD application. All the project, what you are doing the technology, what you are using, what you are learning the technology. But the main thing is CAD application. That is the main thing. All the projects are the same way. That is called CAD application. Create, read, update, and delete. And view. That is the main thing. View, delete, update, and read. That is the main thing. That's why I'm telling you there is the actual, this is the actual backend, this is the actual backend process that we don't see in any setting. We see this, we see this layer, but we don't see this. Okay, understand this concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start with Java. First of all, tell me what is Java and why we learning Java. Anyone tell me?
So Java is a
And
server-side
yeah,
language that will interact with the database and provide the results to the front-end part.
yeah. If you don't know Java, then you don't know actually Spring Boot. That is the main reason. Because if you see the codes there in Spring Boot, all the Spring Boots are all the data are coming from the actually is Java. The backend is Java and Spring Boot. So if you don't know Java, you cannot implement the Spring Boot. Okay, why we are using Java? Okay, I have one tutorial in my system. I will give it to you in the group. We can follow both in the next topic. First of all, what is Java? Java is a programming object-oriented programming language, not fully object-oriented, because some interviewers say why Java is fully object-oriented programming language. Then you say no, Java is not a fully object-oriented programming language. Yeah, Java is object-oriented concept. Why Java is object-oriented? Then the question will arise. The question will arise why the Java is not object-oriented. Java is object-oriented because it has encapsulation, it has polymorphism, it has objects, right? It has objects and it has garbage collection, it has inheritance. That kind of thing called object groups concept. These concepts are called groups concept, polymorphism, and all. So we can go these topics step by step. Okay, and Java is next is Java is why we use Java. There are so many other programming languages. Maybe there is Python. No, I don't compare Java with Python because Python is for different work and Java is for different work. But both are programming. Why don't we use C++? Because C++ is very old actually. Very old and it is time consuming. And Java is Java is platform independent language. So suppose if you compile the Java in any platform, and you can run the Java in another platform. Suppose I and you write one program, then I will perform the Java in another one. I will write the Java in another in my system, and then I will share the code to you, and then you will compile and run the. That's why Java is a platform independent. And it actually is open source. So Java is actually open source and it is very fast and it has garbage collection. Garbage collection means suppose Java has so many objects, right? Java has so many objects. And the objects, so we don't need actually those objects. We need objects, but we don't need the unnecessary. So removing the unnecessary objects, it will create the hazardous. For removing the unnecessary objects, we can use a garbage collection. That just have that is the main reason we are using Java. Actually, Java is coming from Sun microsystems. First of all, Sun microsystems. James Gosling actually using first of all invented the Java from an oak tree. From oak tree, the tree name called oak. Then the name comes is Java actually. So this is the one type of history. I don't go here for the history. And Java is object-oriented language, I already told you, which gives a clear structure to programs and allow code to be reused. Here you will see there is called inheritance. One concept is called inheritance, and here the code is reused. So no code is switched. Here is the code is reused. That's why Java allows the code to reuse. And lowering the development cost. Because if the client say, suppose he want organization say, I need 3 billion from that. So the client said, I have no money. I don't have any money. I don't have that kind of thing. I only give you 2 million, but you are demanding 3 million. That's why you are changing the technology. That's why you are changing the technology. That's why this it is actually thereby lowering development cost. So the both client also happy and both the inspector organization also happy.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Yeah. Okay, next is we have to install. That is the little bit introduction about the Java.
Sir, are you sharing your screen? Because I could not able to see anything.
No, I am not sharing this.
Okay, fine.
Okay, first of all, you make to install the Eclipse or Spring Boot or STS. Okay, anyone share your screen and install the STS so other can see. Chitra, can you share? Chitra, can you share your screen and install the STS?
Sir, you are talking to me?
Nishika.
I will share.
Nishika. Okay, Nishika, you also share your screen. Yeah.
Sir, today I have joined with phone. My system is not working.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
We have to install Eclipse, right?
Yeah, it is visible. Yeah. Not Eclipse, you installing the STS. Not Eclipse, STS. You can also install Eclipse. No problem. Okay, download the Windows version.
That is this one.
I don't hear your voice actually.
Sir, your system also have the latest version.
Yeah, I have installed it.
Any other software that I need to install?
No, not right now. You have to install the database actually, but the database actually MySQL workbench. You can install now, or otherwise you can you can go to the database topic, then you can install.
Oh, okay. Sir, is there an alternative of this Eclipse for Linux?
Yeah, you can go to NetBeans,
Like I'm using Linux right now.
Linux.
Like in not dual boot or separate. Like on this terminal, I'm using the Linux. So I've installed Java on this. So is there
Okay,
any
so-
way that I can use the
No, actually, this is for actually Windows. So you have to transfer to the Linux.
okay.
Yeah, yeah, keep sharing your screen, Rishika. Okay, whoever shared the screen. Okay, Rishabh, yeah, share. Okay, then go to the file and install.
बढ़िया से वो कराएगा तो भले ही उसमें पैसा कम लगे ज्यादा लगे जो भी लेकिन इसमें तो खाली वो होगा अपलोड हो जाएगा बस इतना ही होगा एक्सेप्टेंस लेटर मिल जाएगा बहुत सोच समझ के कोई कदम उठाओ अगर टीचर पे भरोसा है तो रुक जाओ
टीचर पे तो भरोसा है लेकिन
दोनों कोऑर्डिनेटर एक ही बात बोल रहे हैं
अनसवा पे भरोसा नहीं है मेरा तो बोल दे रहा है कि करा लो क्या करे वो भी
Okay, let's do it. Okay, go to first one. Go to first option. Yeah, this one. Install this. Okay, just do it. It will take some time.
Is it downloading any packages?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So I would like to ask, like, in previous class, what you have teach.
Previous was actually Shankalita teach, and previous was actually all I know that it's in JavaScript session.
Okay, sir.
And
Like, sir, I have joined the previous class from too much. I tried hard to join that, but it couldn't join. Why, sir? Is it any problem?
Actually,
There was a
Shankalita
Good.
is very ill. That's why the previous session has not continued.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
and sir, I have one more question that like previous class we had learned about HTML and all, and so as we got our offer letter, it shows that Java developer. So like what classes we will gonna have here? Like do we'll have like flexible classes like sometime Java or sometime HTML?
No, actually, I'm telling you what is the plan. First of all,
Yeah.
HTML, then CSS,
Uh,
then JavaScript. After that, then Java.
okay.
Yeah, that is the Java full stack curriculum.
And,
Okay. Okay.
and sir, this Java is end, right?
It's the Java.
Like, sir, after Java, is it anything else to learn?
After Java, after Java, it is called JDBC connection. That's why I'm telling you the JDBC, the backend part, Java database connectivity.
Okay, okay, sir.
The Java
Understood.
database connectivity with the database, and
It is
after that,
progressing very slowly.
Yeah.
So is it an issue or do I need to install any other packages? Because my system is showing that it's taking longer than usual.
I don't understand this. Tell me.
My system is showing a warning, like you can see on the screen. It's progressing slowly than usual. So
No,
do I
actually,
need to?
actually, this is normal. When you install the Eclipse, it is normal.
Okay,
It will take that time.
all right.
How many classes are left to join? Hello.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. How many classes are left to join? I mean,
Actually, there are total 8 sessions.
okay, 8 session.
Yeah.
So for teaching purposes, I think we can use the online compiler of Java.
Yeah, you can use definitely. You can use also. Look, you can code anywhere in Eclipse, in NetBeans, in online, anything.
But sir, for JDBC connection, you can't use online.
Yeah, definitely. For the DVC
Yep.
connection, you can't do in online. You
Yep,
have to
yep,
install
yep.
Eclipse or STS.
Any ID
Yeah,
for that.
one integrated development environment we have to install.
Mm.
Okay, Rishabh, stop sharing screen. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Vishesh, share your screen.
Okay.
Okay. First of all, make one file that is called in that folder. You can add all the programs. Yeah, you can add your workspace here also. You can add your actually what is your different workspace?
Sir, can I go with the STS?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So I will create a
Okay, first one create a package.
Okay, thank you. So can I create the project?
Uh, Inside the package, you can create the
Yeah. So, I think
you can also create project. That's not it.
yes, sir, I will create the project. It is easier.
Now finish.
So what will be the test like after the training?
What is the test that actually I don't know. That will be totally on the audience actually. Whatever he told you guys, you
Yes, sir, now what to do?
okay.
This
So
project I have
okay, that's
created.
the project. Inside the project, you can create the class.
Inside SRC.
Yeah, you can create also package also. Then you can also create class. Whatever. Yeah, you can create
Okay.
Java class here also. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah, just yeah. Now I will print something. System.out. Let me tell. Yeah, now run the program.
Sir, one question.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, actually, I have not attended a session on Monday. So is there any problem?
Oh no, Monday there was no session.
What's up?
Monday there was no session actually.
Okay, Monday there is no session.
Yeah,
And
because
sir,
because
when will be the next
your
session?
because the trainer Sampolita is very ill actually. That's why he cannot take the session.
So, sir, when will be the
Next session will be on
Yes, sir.
next session will be on
Monday.
Monday. Okay, next week. Okay.
Yes, sir, it is printed. PCS debugger.
Yeah. Okay, keep sharing the screen. Let me understand.
Okay.
Okay, everyone just see what he is doing. First of all, he is okay. You are just going to the Eclipse.
It is VS Code.
No, they go to the Eclipse. What about what is the problem? Oh, you don't
This
create
is
any,
the error.
that's why you don't create any package.
Yes, sir. That's why it is showing the error.
Okay, just create the package. In the SRC, just create one package inside the SRC.
Mhm. Should I run this?
Yeah, no.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, let me understand. Okay, what he is doing actually, first of all, he is taking one project. That's for Java project. After that, he will what he is doing that name PCS. He will create the project PCS. After that, he create the project. After that, he will create one package. That package name is he is giving research. And under that package, he create the class that is called whatever you create the class that is called Java.
First dot Java. Yes.
Java. That is the main syntax of any Java program. First of all, we have public class first. It's called public. Actually, that class there are four types of public, private, default,
Protected.
protected. Yeah, that is the four type of class actually default package. So first, we start the public class first. The class name is first, and always you have to remember the class name is always capital. The F is always capital. Whatever you give the name, the class name is capital. The first name. And next, what he is doing, public static void string argument. So this is the main method. Actually, in a Java program, we have so many methods, so many. You can give public void display, then under that you can print something. So this is the main method. In every Java method, without the main method, Java program cannot run. If any interviewer asks you, is the method necessary? You can say yes. The main, without the main method, the Java program cannot run. If Vishesh, can you comment the line number 5?
Which line? System dot out.
No, main method.
Main method. Okay.
No, just only the main method.
Only the main method. Okay.
Yeah, as you can see here, if you try to run, PCS can run the program. No?
Yes. Okay. Correction. Main type is not there.
Yeah, there is the message. Main type is not there. So always you have to write the main method, then we have to print something. And the print system.out.println.
Because the JVM is looking for the main method.
Yeah, JVM is looking for the main method. And the code is writing here. The code, this is the source code actually. So there are three steps in Java. This is the source code. After that, it will go to the bytecode. Yeah. And then bytecode will the JVM go to the bytecode to the misunderstanding.
Yes, sir. Bytecode will be interpreted by JIT.
Interpreted by JIT or JIT compiler. And then it will come to the then that printing is from PCS global actually. That is machine understanding code. Then we see the output, and the output is what, and the output is PCS global, as you see in the console. That is the basic syntax of any Java. Okay, understand you know this?
Sir, can I uncomment the main method?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Yep.
Okay, everyone understand that?
Yes, sir.
Keep sharing, because I am going to give you the programs. Then you have to do in your own system.
Okay, sir. Okay, sure.
Okay, and another thing, okay, I am just forgot to tell you. Another thing is that What is the meaning of that line? Public static void means string. Public is called access specifier. Let's call access specifier, and static is static keyword. So there are so many keywords in Java. Static keyword, this keyword, super keyword. So static is basically one keyword.
Minor.
Yeah, that's why, because of the static keyword, we don't have to use the object actually. And it and public static void main, and this is the main method, and main method has no return type. In Java, every method has return type, but in main method, it has no return type. Okay, now come to the void. Void is a nothing, but it has nothing to return. That is called void, means empty. And main means main method, and string, and it is called argument. String is data type, string is data type, and argument. That is the value of that line. Okay. Now stop sharing. I will share the PDF. That's it. Now come to the variables actually. Okay, Nishika Sita, you understand now? And Java syntax and all. Now, Sita, do you understand?
Yes.
See, this is actually now we are going through this. We already have done. Now this are going to, I am going to step by step. This is the actual, and I can share with you all in the WhatsApp. So that will be better to understand. So Java, actually now we are coming in Java variables. Okay, now Java variables is what will happen in Java variables. There are so many Java variables. Different types of variables. So string, integer, float, character, boolean. There are so many Java variables. So what is string doing? String is, suppose you are writing your name, that is called string. What is the type of the data? That is called string. Suppose I am saying hello. In what that is follow on string. String hello, that is called. And now next is the int. That is the integer value actually. There is called integer value. Suppose I am creating one project and your project name is and your suppose employee ID is 132. That is called, and 134, that is we have to declare as an integer. Basically, dedicate the number actually. That is called int means integer, and that is called string. String means your name. Now coming to the float actually. What is float is doing? Float is doing that in decimal numbers. Maybe it is plus, maybe it is minus, whatever. Now we come to character. Character means what? Suppose single letters A, B, or anything going to the characters. And then come to the boolean actually. We come to the boolean. Boolean means true or false actually. Boolean means true or false. There is a. So we have string, integer, float, character, and boolean. Now declaring the variables. How we declare the variables? That is one thing. Suppose your name is John and your string name John. System.println is called name. You can print the name, that is called name, and the print is John actually. The console in the console, the output will be John. That's why I'm just telling you. Maybe it is, suppose if you give integer, then it will be int. Suppose int A, I am taking one value, int A equals to 23. Suppose int A equals to 23, then I have to print the int. So what is the value of that? The value of that is 23. So 23 will be printed. That's why in that case we will print the any string value or any integer. That is one thing. Okay, now I am giving you stop sharing. Okay, just share your screen. I am giving you an example so that you all can understand.
Okay, sir. Sure. Mm, Yes, sir.
Let me share the product. Just wait, I am giving.
What, sir?
Just wait, I am giving the example.
Okay.
See, in the chat box, I am already shared.
Yes, sir. Done.
Yeah, now run the program.
Nothing. Sir, you are not printing anything.
Yes. Okay, then give any printing statement.
What, sir?
Give any printing statement, suppose if
Okay.
printing.
Okay. Data. Within. It is printing 50. Yeah.
Okay, so everyone just see and all of the A is printing 30. And this is the data type actually. The int is data type, and A is one variable. And equals to the value of the variables 50 that he is giving. So in that way we can do so many programs. Okay, keep sharing.
Yes, sir.
Can you like increase the font size a bit?
Okay,
Okay.
I can increase the font size.
I don't know how to increase it. Can anyone tell me?
Control and then plus button.
Control and then
Control and plus button together.
plus button. It is not working.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Now it is.
Now, and I'm giving you next example of adding two numbers actually.
Wait, sir.
First of all, if you want to understand Java, first of all, you have to understand the basic programs and the No, you can create another file also.
No, it is better. Yeah. So another side.
Yeah. Just adding two numbers dot Java.
20 will be the answer.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. What to write?
In the chat box.
Okay. Yeah. Good.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, I am giving you the next example.
Okay.
This is for actually typecasting because we want to change our data type to another data type. That is called typecasting actually. You can note it down. That is the example of typecasting. In here, A equals to 10 and float A equals to 8.
Yeah. Then
Okay, that's 10 and 10.0 because actually it's floating point, it will give the decimal number and it's Indian number. That's for 10 and 10.0.
But sir, we can't do the opposite of it. Like float, we can't typecast into int, right?
Yeah.
explicitly we can do, but there will be some data loss.
There will be some data.
Yes.
Yeah, go to next program.
Yes, sir, this is the error. Cannot convert.
Yeah.
So, go
Actually, this
to
can convert floating. That's why I am using it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, the part that you commented out, that was explicit.
Yes.
Typecasting.
Yes.
Okay, move to the next program.
Yes, sir. Done.
130 is minus 126. This is called actually but India.
It is out of the range of value.
Hmm. That's called actually overflow. Okay, now adding the lower types. Yeah, it will be 20. Yes. Now coming to the operator. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, in the last program, what will happen if we pass the pass a number that is out of the range, like
Out of the range.
128?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's called actually overflow.
So, like if there is overflow, like what is the positive upper limit, like 128 or 127?
128 actually.
Yes, 128. If we pass 129, it will take it as 1, right?
1 exactly. Now coming to the Java operator. So there are so many operators actually. There is called binary operator, arithmetic operator, shift operator. Arithmetic operator is nothing. You can also do the plus minus, multiply, and division. Shift operator, relational operator, detours operator. You can see that next by next the example. First come to the arithmetical operator.
So can I stop the sharing?
No, keep the sharing because
Okay.
now we entering the operator.
No, I think you were telling the theory part.
That's called arithmetical operator.
Yes, sir.
Now come to Java unary operator.
Java
Unary
ternary
operator.
operator. Okay.
No, unary. Yeah, 22 and 21.
Hmm.
I go to this program.
How it works? Like -11 answer.
Yeah, that is minus 11 and 9 false. False to because actually Boolean, that's why it's false into.
Okay.
Because Boolean has two values. Either it is false or either it is correct. Now come to the left shift operator.
Hmm.
These are the small examples here. Very easy, not data analysis. So first one, you have to understand this small example.
Yes, sir.
Left shift is multiplication and right shift is division, right?
Hmm. Right.
Yeah, that is for left shift. Now go to the right shift operator.
Okay, tomorrow. Integer.
Five and yeah. Now that is called logical and bitwise operator and operator.
Logical operator.
Yeah, that's logical. Logical and bitwise.
Oh.
Yeah, actually it is false and and usually the mixed up of logical and bitwise operator, the mixed operator.
What, sir?
That's a mixed up of bitwise operator and logical operator.
Okay. I'll just.
Logical means there are two types, and or only. That's
Hmm. And on.
Yeah, 2 and 10. Everyone just do the program in your own system step by step. Now,
I will
coming to
I
the
will send.
yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. I will send the file after the meeting in the group, so that we can
Yeah, yeah,
discuss after the.
yeah, you can share it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, what is the this operator or a single straight line?
Bitwise or.
It is for
Okay,
digital.
sorry. Yes, bit. Okay.
Now come to the ternary operator. Just give me 2 minutes. One call is coming.
Okay, sir.
Okay, hi, this is share your screen continue.
Sure, sir.
Okay, the ternary operator we have done, right?
That this thing I have taken this example.
Yeah, that is the ternary operator.
Yeah.
Now come to the Java control statement. The next topic is Java control statement. Actually, what is control statement? Suppose you are doing that what, or otherwise you cannot do that. That's called if else. There are so many control statements, if else or while. Actually, basically, we are iterating the loops. Actually, if we see the example, it will better understand. If switch statement, while loop, do while loop, for each loop. There are some break statement and continue statement. These are the always control statements that also better to say decision making statements. Suppose if you do that or you can print that off, otherwise you cannot do that off. That is the statement. You do or do not do. That is called if statement or else statement. Or you can give the if block and you can do also the do else block. That's also possible for that job. Okay, let me give the first program of if. Yes. If you see the x, suppose I take x10, y12, and x plus y greater than 20. So x plus y is 22 actually. If 22 is greater than 20, if it is, then it will be greater than 20. If you say else, if you here actually only if statement is there, but if you also write the else statement, then you can also print something. X plus y is not good. It's actually not greater than 20. So we can write, we can see in the next one. Yeah, this is the instant. This is also a step with program. Same as the whole.
Sir, it is called defense ladder.
Yeah, you can see. Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just confirming it.
Now, then now coming to next step, if step, next step, because in the if step, there is another that's called nested loop.
What's it?
That is the example of nested if.
Nested defense. Okay.
Yeah, inside the if, there is another. Yeah, you just see inside the if statement at this dot in India, there is another is made. Your city is made later.
Yep.
Sir, how the answer is valid? Can you please explain it?
Yeah, that is called if statement. If there is India, if there is Meru, then how do you print that print is your city is Meru? After that, it is not. Then else if whatever the maybe the possible things. If else if this is the possible things. Else if there is Noida and print your city is Noida. After that, if it is not Meru, not Noida, then it is value of 0. And then what's else? Else is you are not living in India. Okay, now run the program.
Yes, sir, I've already done.
Yeah.
This printing Delhi.
Yeah.
Sir, how can I get the lectures of previous lecture videos? Previous session videos.
Previous session
How can I
videos,
get it?
previous session videos
Yeah.
actually, I have already done 2 sessions actually. The 2 sessions videos are actually, I already have given to the HR. HR once upload in the PCS Global YouTube channel, then you can see. Or also I
Yes,
can
sir,
share
I have
in the
some-
WhatsApp.
Yeah, sir, I have searched it on the YouTube, but I couldn't find it.
No, actually, HR not uploaded yet.
Okay.
Once we'll upload, then I will inform you in that. Now come to the switch statement, switch and break statement. So this is true actually. Okay, that is the loop actually going. That is for 0, 1, and 2. If the 0 is, then we actually break 1. So it's going to be 0. Then again, if you get the default is called num. The default is called num. That's why num equals to 2. That's why it's printing 2, because it is actually default. Yeah, if you see this one, the console the output is, because actually the default value is printing. That's right. That's called switch statement.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now come to the for loop. Now come to the for loop. There are 3 types of loop: for loop, while loop, and do while. And first of all, let's start with the for loop. First of all, for loop, what is doing? The for loop is doing, first of all, we get the condition, then it will check the condition. It will be increment or decrement, plus operator or minus operator, line of code. And then we exactly know the number of times it will execute the block of code. That will let understand and give some example. Because if you don't see the example, actually it will not work. Yeah, I'm just do the Yeah, the sum of first 10 natural numbers 55. Yeah. Then we come to for each loop.
So for each loop is also in JavaScript, right?
Yeah. In JavaScript also for each. There are
For
so many
each and
topics also there in JavaScript and Java, just like generate types, variables, the printing statements. There is so much.
yeah,
There is some similarities in JavaScript and Java, but not full.
yeah, I haven't seen this loop in any other language. Like in C and C++, there is no
Yeah,
for
it's
each
for
loop.
each loop. In JavaScript, we can write console.log or document.write for the printing statement. But here in Java, we can write we write system.out.println. There's some different some same but some majorly different. Now come to the Java while.
The Java.
This is while loop.
While loop.
Yeah, let's see the loop is running at 0 to 10. 0 to 4, 6, 8, and 10. First 10 even numbers actually. These are the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And that is the equation. I equals to plus 2. Now come to the do while. Next, we will do the do while. This is the all kind of control statements. If you do this thing, that's fine. And if you don't do this thing, that's not fine. That kind of thing. Yeah, around the whole.
Yes, sir, I have
20
already
even,
done.
even numbers. Yeah.
In the do while loop, I will print odd number. In while loop, I will print.
Yeah, the odd numbers will be printed. Yeah. The odd numbers. Okay, so today is up to now, up to the do while loop. The next day, I and or in the Sankalita as well, then she will also continue.
Okay, sir. Sure.
After you share the file in the WhatsApp group so that everyone can practice and understand.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.